Our E-coated cranes and bodies deliver unmatched durability and a superior finish, trusted by industries worldwide. Welcome to PALFINGER, where innovation meets precision. Each day at PALFINGER begins with a commitment to excellence, guaranteeing every step meets the highest standards. The journey starts with the arrival of high-quality raw materials, ready for transformation. Our advanced production line combines precision and strength, building each body and crane with care. Each component undergoes thorough inspection and cleaning, ensuring it's prepared for the next stage. Pre-treatment ensures superior adhesion and corrosion resistance, laying the groundwork for a lasting finish. We apply an even, protective E-coat layer using cutting-edge technology to guarantee a long-lasting finish. After coating, parts are rinsed and cured to lock in a premium finish that stands the test of time. Stringent quality checks ensure every part meets our high standards before moving forward. Each crane and body is built to order, tailored to meet your specific needs. The finished cranes and bodies are shipped to our dealers, ready for installation. At PALFINGER, our skilled team and advanced facility are dedicated to delivering the best in the industry. Experience the PALFINGER difference: durability, precision, and unmatched quality. Contact us today to see how we can enhance your fleet.